Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your upper arms. Whether you're enjoying water sports like wakeboarding or lifting and moving furniture around your house, your upper arms can become stiff, sore, and carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the wedge for the upper arms, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding the power button, then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while you're treating your upper arms. I recommend the reverse grip because of the combination of range and control it provides while reaching across my body. Step 3, now for the fun part. Using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your upper arm, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your arms, we recommend using it all over the muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. This is going to reduce that muscle tightness by increasing the elasticity of the muscle and down-regulate your nervous system. You're really going to like this one. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.